Hello everyone, now we are going to create full adder circuit. First I'm going to the option place, and there you will go on the place, you will go here text. So here I should write down what we are going to create. So we are going to create a circuit for full adder using MultiSim. Okay, so here this is full adder circuit using MultiSim. If any component you want to add here, so you have to go to the option place. Okay, in the menu bar you can go to the option place, and there you can go on the option component. So first let me place this text. Now we should go to find some component. So you should have a circuit with you, so we can follow that circuit. So you should have a circuit diagram. If you don't have, so just go in the last of this video and take a screenshot and you can follow them. So here we came to select component, place, and the component, and now we have to select the option for gates. So here in the 74HC 6 volt we can get all the gates. Yeah, almost all the gates we can get over here. So this one is the XOR gate. So like full adder we need 2 XOR gate, 2 AND gate, and 1 OR gate. So selecting this B, I will get one more XOR gate. Now I need 2 AND gate and 1 OR gate. So just keep scrolling. I will get our required gates. You can directly type the number of that gate. So this one is the OR gate. You can see that in the function it is written also OR. So we can type the model name also, but for me I think it is better we can scroll down, because we cannot remember all the numbers of all the gates. I know that no one is doing this for lifetime. Definitely we have to clear our exams, our syllabus. So that's why we are doing practice. So just better we should understand where we will get this. So in all families option, there are the groups of all the components. So here we can get all the gates. So this one is the AND gate, and finally we get AND gate. We needed one more AND gate. So let me place it first. Anywhere we can place it anywhere. After collecting all the gates, we can rearrange them according to our requirements. So we have get all the gates. Okay, so we have select all the components related to gates, and now we need probes for indicator and lights, and we need power sources. So you can type also here. My system is working a little bit slow. Maybe this NI MultiSim is a little bit slow and it get hanged. Okay, now it's back. So I need 3 switches. You can type SPDT, means single pole double terminal. We have to take 3 switches actually. We can copy and paste also, otherwise we can select from here also. Now we have to flip them horizontally. Before, if we are here, so we can get power sources also. So I'm looking for the option power. In the power option, power source, we can get here power supply, which is named as VCC, and ground we can get here. So this one is the ground, and here it is written VCC. It is for the power supply. Yeah. And now probe is also there. this probe will work like an indicator. So full adder have a 3 inputs and 2 outputs. So for 2 outputs we will get 2 probe LED. So one is red, one is green I have selected. So red will indicate the sum of these inputs, and the green will show the carry of these inputs. So we have taken all the component. Now we have to do the wiring. So wiring is very easy. So these are the indicators for outputs. Now we are going to do wiring for all. Wiring is very easy. We have to just click on any component. Okay, we have to click on the end of any component, and then we have to drag to another component, so we can do the wiring. So first we should connect these switches, as we have flip it horizontally. Now we should connect them with the power supply. I'm just placing all this component according to circuit diagram. So I have to give power supply to this open terminal. You can see this switch have a 3 terminal. So it will work like a NO and NC, normally open and normally close. So these 2 points are connected, means they are normally close point. One point is not connected, so that one is the normally open point. So when we will click on the switch, so switch will change its position and it will be connected with the power supply. So this switch will work exactly same as the switches uses in our houses. So we have given this power sources input, and now the NC connection we will connect with the ground. So we have to connect all these 3 switches with the ground. So we will connect this second switch also. We can we can click and drag this wire, and we can connect anywhere. It is just similar like a wiring. If you know the wiring, so we can connect the wire anywhere. Even we can break the wire, we can connect there. So this circuit diagram is also exactly the same. Now we have to follow the circuit diagram. So here I will have to make this XOR gate, and on bottom of the XOR gate there will be AND gate. So 2 identical circuit will be here, XOR gate, AND gate, and again there will be XOR gate, and bottom of that XOR gate there will be on AND gate. So we have to connect these inputs accordingly. Here I have to connect it. No. First I should connect input and output of this XOR gate. So then I will give input. Okay. So here you see, just select and connect. I'm just following the circuit. Full adder have multiple circuit diagram. Whatever circuit diagram you can draw them over here, and you can connect them according to that circuit diagram. That will work perfectly. Full adder have a multiple circuit diagram. Like we have placed here XOR gate. Some circuits are there where only one XOR gate is there in the full adder. Some are there are no XOR gates. So there are multiple circuit diagram. This circuit diagram are actually addition of 2 half adder. So we are just following the circuit diagram which I have. In case you don't have the circuit diagram, so before watching this video you can go in the last and you can click the photo and you can follow that circuit diagram. So it will be little easy to you to understand that what I am doing and why I am doing. Okay, so we just have to connect these inputs. So this S1 input will go to the here, and then here we will have to connect S2 input. First I'm connecting with this, and then can see. So S2 is remaining. S2 again I have connected here. Now this AND gate is remaining. This one again I have connected here. Now the circuit is almost completed. Only this probe connections are remaining. And finally this circuit is totally completed. Let me just rearrange them so it will be look little good and little much better for you. And now here we have 3 inputs and 2 outputs. So in 3 input, S1 and S2 is actually input and S3 is carry in, and we have a 2 output. So X1 is output and X2 is carry output. You can change the name of these labels also. So anyway, we have completed it. Now you see it is working similarly as a circuit diagram. We have given all the inputs high and all outputs are high.